Good morning, BNI. A very warm welcome to all the visitors and to the members who has logged in today to experience the first ever virtual business expo organized by the seventh chapter of BNI Kolkata CPDA and North BNI Alliance. Today, along with me is one of the area director of our region, जिसे हम प्यार से गुरुजी भी पुकारते हैं, Mr. Vivek Jaiswal. Good morning, Guruji.
Morning. Good morning. And it's always a pleasure to interact with you, Krishna.
Lovely, sir. So today together we are going to interact with the man who firmly believes and often says teamwork that makes dream work. His positive attitude, dedication and motivational management skills has built a strong network of around 1515 plus members in Kolkata CBDA and North region. He is also instrumental in building a world-class DNA, directors and ambassador team with accountability and recognition as the key success factors with the core philosophy of givers gain. He has over 27 plus years of experience in driving key and high contribution responsibilities in blue chip multinationals, telecom and insurance, Vodafone, Max New York Life, Systema, MTS, etc. He has a vision. He is goal-oriented and creates opportunity in adversity and preaches what he practices. He is also a member in Franchisee Advisory Committee, BNI India, international speaker in global and national conventions. As District Director, BNI India, he has successfully helped in launching 5 new regions in India, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Guwahati, Siliguri, Howrah, etc. He is also BNI Global Founder Circle member for the period 2017 and 2019. Under his astute leadership, BNI Kolkata CBDA is the #1 region in the world in the year 2017 and 2018. Kolkata is amongst the top 3 regions currently and since last 5 years. In the last 7 plus years, BNI Kolkata CBDA and North region has grown to 1515 plus members with 27 chapters. And sir, let me congratulate you. Today we have launched the 28th chapter as well, with an average chapter size of 56 plus members. Thank you for the close business of 75 plus crores month on month, making one of the best regions globally. His burning desire is to positively impact people and make some difference in their lives. He is married to Namrata and blessed with 2 sons, Rajdeep and Rajveer. He has traveled 1200 plus kilometers in 10 days on a cycle from Kolkata near to Bhutan during school days. He does what he likes and likes what he does. His favorite and famous quote, keep soaring and keep roaring. So ladies and gentlemen, we take this pride and honor to introduce the man behind the success of BNI Kolkata CBDA and North, Mr. Bimal Samal.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Vivek, and thank you, Krishna, for this wonderful introduction. Even if I'm able to live up to whatever you have shared about me, I think that's going to be a world of difference for me, myself, and a strong community of 15 plus members.
Thank you very much for giving us this time, sir. So, as we've already told you, it's going to be a small rendezvous with Mr. Bimal Samal. So, we have a couple of questions, both Krishna Prasad Sharma and myself. We've got a couple of questions to ask you and learn more about you. And I'm sure when our other members and other people across view this video, they will get a lot of learnings and they will take a lot of benefit from whatever questions and the answers that you give. So with your permission, let's kick off the questionnaire.
Sure, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. So the first question from my side is that what is that one key achievement till date which you would not mind sharing with us time and again?
Well, I'm a very interesting question and a question which I would love because whenever it pertains to Kolkata, this is something which comes to my mind more often than not. You see, in India, people look at Kolkata as not a business hub. You know, they always feel we are more of culture, more of heritage, and business people feel happens more so in places like northern part of India or western part of India or more so Gujarat. But BNI over the last 7 years has been able to change that paradigm. Okay, and to such a large extent that BNI Kolkata right now does close to 1 billion US dollar a month on month, and more so when BNI is present across the globe in 74 countries with over 1,000 plus region. BNI Kolkata continues to remain on the top 3 regions in the globe. That is a very, very strong testament to the commitment BNI has been able to do what many thought was a dream. So kudos to BNI Kolkata for making it a reality. And this is something which I would love sharing any forum, anytime. Even if you wake me from my sleep, I would be talking very high about BNI Kolkata, because really BNI Kolkata has made all of us so proud.
Thank you, Vimal sir, for those words, and I'm sure it's your dedication and your drive which also gets us impressed and motivated to move ahead and make the region move ahead and move forward. So in all this race of name, fame and glory, right, I would like to ask you a personal question. Have you missed something, or are you missing something?
Well, people who actually run for name, fame and glory, they might miss something. I have always worked throughout my entire career. I have always worked, and name has come after that. Fame has come after that, and glory has come after that. In real sense, I have never worked for name, fame, glory. I have just worked. And my commitment towards, when I was heading multinational, my commitment towards my customers, my commitment towards my employees was there as to how I can, benefit them as customers and employees. And here in the BNI journey, the only thing which comes to my mind is what else, not that what can I do, what else can I do so that my members are able to make more money, so that my members are able to scale up their business. So I've actually not worked for, to be very candid with you, name, fame, glory. I have just worked, and by God's grace, I have got that name, fame and glory.
Wow, wow. So what we all know, karm karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. I think you followed that principle, right? So let me ask you one more thing, right? For the last 7 years, we've seen that you've always had a dream for Kolkata, for BNI Kolkata, and we've all been working towards achieving that dream and making it a reality. We've done a lot of things in that line. So let me ask you one thing. What is the most wildest dream you have about BNI Kolkata, which looks really challenging?
Well, when a student passes out from class 12 or, completes his or her graduation, the first thing he or she wishes is, let me go to a reputed B school to learn the finer nuances of running business, leading business. My dream, my wildest dream would be that, people should be, part of BNI before they start their business journey. So that, BNI should be a walking, talking institute for all those aspiring entrepreneurs who are wanting to get into, startup, wanting to get into exploring newer business. So BNI should actually work as a walking, talking institute for people who are just wanting to start their business.
Wow, wow. And I'm sure that dream will become a reality for not just BNI Kolkata, for BNI worldwide. I'm sure we will all work towards achieving that. So let me now invite Krishna Prasad Sharma to ask a couple of questions from his side. Over to you, Krishna.
Thank you, Vivek ji. Sir, we all know that, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि आप एकदम thorough professional हैं. But आप दोस्तों के दोस्त भी हैं. So if we call up your friends and ask them to describe you in one word, one sentence, what would that be?
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात है, आप कुछ दोस्तों को आप लोग जानते हो, आप कभी भी उन्हें फोन करके पूछ लेंगे तो आपको बेहतरीन आंसर मिलेगा. बट शायद अगर मुझे आप पूछें तो मैं जो बोलते हैं ना 3 AM फ्रेंड, कि अगर आप देर रात कभी भी याद करें, आप किसी को पाए चाहे नहीं पाए, मैं जरूर से खड़ा रहूंगा. और मेरे लिए दोस्ती कई लोगों को मैंने देखा है दोस्ती अलग तरीके से नापतोल करते हैं, और मैं इसको थोड़ा सा भिन्न रखना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि जहां दोस्ती के बीच में स्वार्थ आ जाता है ना, तो वो व्यापार कहलाता है, फिर वो दोस्ती नहीं रहता है। तो मैं कभी भी व्यापार और दोस्ती को बीच में नहीं लाता हूँ। एंड आई एम अ ट्रू फन, मतलब आप कभी भी मेरे दोस्तों को पूछिएगा, मैं उस समय एक एक क्या बताऊं, एक कॉलेज गोइंग, एक स्कूल गोइंग, जैसे हम लोग मस्ती करते थे, जब भी हम दोस्तों से मिलते हैं तो ठीक उसी तरह से भी स्ट्राइक ऑफ। वहां पे हम ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि बिजनेस क्या चल रहा है, कारोबार क्या चल रहा है, जस्ट फन। सो मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ में जब भी समय व्यतीत करता हूँ, आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं, हमेशा उनको हर्ष और उल्लास दिलाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। सो दैट इज व्हाट आई फील दे विल से अबाउट मी।
परफेक्ट सर, ये तो हमने काफी बहुत जगह एक्सपीरियंस किया है, आपको हर रूप में देखा है हम लोगों ने। तो सर मेरा नेक्स्ट सवाल ये होगा आपसे कि हाउ डू यू सी बीएनआई कोलकाता इवॉल्व इन नेक्स्ट 1 year?
जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, हमारा एक ड्रीम जो है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति जब अपना बिजनेस जर्नी शुरू करना चाहता हो, राइट, इसे एक इंस्टीट्यूट माने, तो मैं इसको थोड़ा सा नेक्स्ट लेवल सोचना चाहता हूँ कि जिस तरह से हम कोई भी शुभ कार्य करना चाहते हैं ना, हमेशा मंदिर में जाते हैं, शुभ कार्य करने से पहले भगवान के, ईश्वर के सामने में नमन करते हैं कि हे प्रभु, हे ईश्वर, हमारा ये काम सफल हो जाए, अच्छा होए। तो मेरा ये सपना रहता है कि अगर आने वाला साल भर में, क्योंकि ये जो दौरान है, ये जो ये जो समय है, आज का दिन, जब हम लोग इसको इवॉल्व करके अगला साल देखें, तो लोग हैं ना, ठीक उसी तरह से कि जब दुनिया में सब लोग बिजनेस के बारे में विचलित थे, they were all thinking what to do during this time, business is not happening, and most of them were talking about business. BNI has been consistently doing business. So possibly what you have showed now, इस turbulent time के दौरान जो भी सक्सेस आपने दिखाया है मेंबर्स ने मिलकर, हो सकता है, आई थिंक, more benefits. So as we say, the way you sow, you reap the benefit accordingly. So maybe 1 year hence, or 6 months hence, I feel the name which is going to be top of the mind recall in terms of business organization, it would be BNI Kolkata.
लवली सर, एक और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है जो हमारे अंदर में आते रहता है हमेशा, कि वी ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट यू हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन क्रिएटिंग लीडर्स, and we have seen this culture in BNI that every 6 months our leadership team changes, and you have already made a robust DNA team as well, by giving them accountability and responsibility. So I would like to understand from you that as a leader, in BNI, what is that one thing we should keep in mind when speaking to our fellow members? This will apply to all the leadership team which keep changing in 6 months as well.
See, it's like the old proverb, when you're honest, you don't have to think and speak. You need to be honest in whatever you're communicating with your people. Because if you think and start speaking, it may tend to look like artificial discussion. Okay. If you genuinely care about your members' benefit, I think it'll come from your heart. You don't have to put your mind there, because the moment you put your mind, many permutation combination goes on. And let me tell you, people understand that. Whether you are actually speaking from here and you genuinely care for them, or you're actually trying to be, trying to see some proposition which is going to benefit you, they understand pretty well. So it's a no-brainer. If you start thinking a lot as to what do I communicate, then you're going to be artificial. You need to be very natural and normal. And as a leader, people would, listen to you if you are walking the talk. Because they look at you as to whatever you are telling, are you doing that? If they see whatever you're saying, you have already done it, that work speaks for you. You do not have to communicate much to them. So you need not be cautious as to what I should talk to a member and what I should not talk to a member. Because end of the day, as I said, they understand genuineness like you and I do.
Wow, sir, we got the keyword. Be honest and walk the talk. Guruji, over to you.
Thank you, Krishna, and thank you, Vimal sir, for those candid answers that you've given us. And like Krishna was reading out something about you before we started the session, and we saw that you have led so many multinational companies, right from insurance to telecommunication and now to BNI, to the pinnacle of success, right? So I would like to ask you, what is your mantra for success?
Okay. So you must have listened to this statement called, practice what you preach.
Yes, we have.
Okay. I believe in, preach what you have practiced.
Okay. Okay.
Because once you have actually gone through that pain, sense of accomplishment, there is that conviction in you that if I could do it, I am sure somebody else can also do it. Okay. And that's when the difference is walk the talk. When you accomplish something, it's very, very conveniently you can put it across. But just imagine you are telling something which you have not done. It may not be a reality. So I would say my mantra for success is, preach what you have practiced.
Wow. Wow. So you know the entire journey, and obviously you can guide other people also. That's a great mantra for success, and I'm sure many of us will benefit from that mantra. So let us make this entire session a bit more relaxing, right? So we would like to know something more personal about you, right? So we go into a coffee with Bimal round now, right? It'll be a rapid fire question, and you need to just answer without thinking. Okay, so it comes straight from your heart. So over to Krishna for the first question.
सर इसके पीछे एक कहानी है विवेक सर.
Yes.
मेरा बहुत ही एक सपना था बोल सकते हैं कि जब भी ब्रिक्स हुआ या फिर एनुअल अवार्ड्स हुआ, मैं ना बिमल सर का एक राउंड करना चाहता था जहां पे हम उनके साथ में खुल के बात कर सके, एंड वी वांट द एंटायर मेंबर्स टू नो अबाउट इट, बट कर नहीं पाए. बट टुडे वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग अबाउट दैट. So if I just quickly ask you, music that defines you, sir.
मुझे देखो, मुझे हिंदी सॉन्ग्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. ओके, एंड स्पेशली स्लो नंबर्स, बिकॉज जिसमें अच्छे लिरिक्स होते हैं. इट एक्चुअली calms your mind, I would say. ऐसे तो तड़का भड़का पास कभी कभार अच्छा लग जाता है, बट मेरे को स्लो नंबर्स, आई एम अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ, यू कैन से किशोर कुमार. आई लव द वे he sings, modulates, and that's what I get a lesson from that is, that's how all life is all about. The way you modulate, the way things come up to you, sometimes challenging, sometimes rocky, sometimes exciting, sometimes turbulent, sometimes mind blowing. So all those things, when Kishore Kumar sings, I have seen he's one of the greatest I would say artists, because he can modulate. You not find he's singing the same tone for all the actors what you have sung for. It always looks different. Perfect. So Hindi songs, slow numbers, I would obviously love them.
Romantic numbers, slow numbers, Kumar is your forte.
That is a great thing. I mean, we can picturize now. Okay, Bimal Samal loves this type of song. So let me ask you one more thing. So what is that ideal setting or a dream vacation where you would love to hear these songs? A dream vacation of yours.
See, most people. I'm sure I would love to be spend my time in any countryside, let me tell you, because I would love that nature, and I would obviously love the simplicity of that, so any countryside, whether it is because I think India is a land of beautiful places. I don't mind going to the hinterlands, not in the real sense the cities per se, and I would enjoy that. So there is no specific place for me which I would say that Switzerland is one of the best places, US is one of the best places. No, I would say, I would love the hinterlands, love the, countryside. That would be my dream vacation. Birds chirping, less of pollution, less of, distraction from, other gadgets or car or something like that. And just serenity, just beauty, and just, the music, which, the birds, being able to garner that music for you. And peace of mind, peace of, eyes, everything, I would love countryside as a dream vacation.
Wow.
Sir, आपने बॉलीवुड का बात तो छेड़ ही दिया है, तो if we going to ask you that what's your favorite Bollywood movie?
there are quite a few, but I think one I would always, cherish to share is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. It's a fantastic movie. Whenever you watch it, it seems like you're also part of that journey. So that would be my top-notch movie, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And it's a fact also. हम लोगों को ये जो जिंदगी मिली है, we need to utilize to the best of the possibilities and see how we can impact people, how we can add value to people.
Okay, so now listening to your music that defines you, the dream vacation, okay, not the favorite Bollywood movie, so we can understand that you are a romantic by heart. Right, so let me ask you one question. Who's your favorite Bollywood actress?
Oh, if I share only one name, if they come to know, they might not like it. So you need to allow me to, share, few names so that I'm able to, impress all of them. I would love, the current lot of actresses, from, I would say from Kareena Kapoor to Priyanka Chopra to Katrina Kaif, and Deepika Padukone. These are the four actresses right now. I would say, all have their own,
Yes.
way of skills and beauty, I would say.
Okay.
वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो BNI कोई जर्नी है और BNI कोलकाता का स्पेशल जर्नी है. अगर किसी स्टोरी राइटर को मिल जाए तो वो अच्छा सा इसमें किताब लिख सकता है. बट अगर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँ, who is your favorite author?
Stephen Covey, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Okay. अगर आप इसको नहीं पढ़े हैं, आप जरूर से पढ़ें इस किताब को. Because actually and इसमें एक लाइन एक effectiveness तो ये है, think win-win. हमेशा कई बार है ना, लोग या तो अपने स्वार्थ के बारे में सोचते हैं या दूसरे के नुकसान के बारे में सोचते हैं. देखिए, दोनों चीज, या तो अपने फायदे के बारे में सोचते हैं और दूसरे के नुकसान के बारे में सोचते हैं. Here we are saying, think win-win. जिस दिन आप ये मंत्र अपने आप को अप्लाई कर लेंगे ना, think win-win, then you would always, come to a situation where, because see, end of the day, खुशी क्या है? खुशी सिर्फ आप खुश होने से खुश नहीं है. जैसे कि अभी किसी ने बोला, ये दौरान हमारा अच्छा चल रहा है, लेकिन अगर आप चारों तरफ देखें, लोग तकलीफ में हैं, तो क्या आप खुश हो पाएंगे? आप कभी खुश नहीं हो पाएंगे. खुशियां तभी मिलती है जब आप, हो सकता है थोड़ा ज्यादा खुश है, लेकिन चारों तरफ भी खुशहाली है. ठीक उसी तरह विन विन, आप भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं और भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट टेक्स इन 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, by Stephen Covey, is one of the greatest effectiveness I have picked up from.
Great, super. So and now we know that you are a good reader also. So we would like to also know, what is that one favorite cuisine which gives you a lot of satisfaction in your heart?
I think मेरे को है ना, घर का दाल चावल और मेरी माँ और बीवी जो सिंपल घर का खाना बना के वो लोग देते हैं, that's the best cuisine, I would say. I know people might say restaurants में अच्छा खाना है या Chinese है या Italian है, बट मेरे को है ना अपना दाल चावल और सिंपल घर का खाना बेहतरीन लगता है. and I really cherish them. मैं जब खाता हूँ तो आनंद के साथ खाता हूँ. on a very candid note, I would say, आप कभी भी देखें, मैं बहुत दिल से खाता हूँ. मुझे समझ बाहर का खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Okay, so again trying to demonstrate is, जहाँ simplicity है वहाँ मुझे अच्छा लगता है. जहाँ थोड़ा तामझाम है, मुझे लगता है मैं वहाँ पे फिट नहीं बैठता हूँ.
पर एक पुराना सा कहावत भी है कि all work and no play make Jack a dull boy, right? ऐसा कुछ कहावत है. तो सर, हमने देखा है कि आपने इस प्रोफेशनल कल्चर में, BNI कल्चर में लास्ट 3 साल से स्पोर्ट्स को भी इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया है. एंड सक्सेसफुली वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस सो मेनी गेम्स. एंड इस बार रीजन को जब मौका मिला कि रीजन लेवल में जाके खेले क्रिकेट, तो वहां पे भी हम लोग चैंपियन होके आए हैं. So you have actually excelled in all the fields, sir. So if I were to ask you that, what is your favorite sport? So
देखिए कृष्णा, इतने दिन में आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए था. It's a no-brainer. और ये भारत का फेवरेट गेम है. सिर्फ मेरा नहीं है, भारत का फेवरेट गेम है क्रिकेट। समहाउ क्रिकेट से काफी शिक्षाएं मिलती हैं, चाहे वो मैनेजमेंट हो, चाहे वो बॉन्डिंग हो, चाहे कैसे मैनेजमेंट कहने का मतलब 11 प्लेयर होते हैं, राइट, कैसे सबका रोल डिफाइन रहता है, तभी एज अ टीम वो लोग खेलते हैं और तभी वो एज अ टीम दे विन। अगर हर वो व्यक्ति अपना रोल सही तरीके से निभाए तो हमेशा जीत मुमकिन है, जीत पॉसिबल है। और क्रिकेट मेरे को बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेम लगता है, मैं खुद खेलता भी हूँ, और कभी भी क्रिकेट रिलेटेड कोई भी एक्टिविटी होता है, मेरे अंदर में वो गूज बम्स आ जाता है कि भैया हम लोगों को खेलना है और जीतना है। अगर आपको याद हो कृष्णा, जब हम लोग विजयवाड़ा में टीम भेजे थे, तो सबसे पहला चीज मैंने बोला था कि आप जा रहे हो खेलने के लिए, बट जीत कर आने के लिए। खेलना है क्योंकि आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो, लेकिन अब जा रहे हो तो आपको जीत के आना है। एंड दैट्स हाउ आई समहाउ अंदर से मेरे को आता है कि क्रिकेट ऐसा चीज है, हमेशा हम लोग को जीतना है उस गेम में।
सर वो तो हमने देखा भी, एक्सपीरियंस भी किया है कि जब हमारा टीम बिल्डअप हो रहा था, यू वर द फर्स्ट वन टू बी देयर ऑन द ग्राउंड एट 6 AM इन द मॉर्निंग। सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में आप साथ में भाग ले रहे थे। दैट वाज that has actually shown us that how interested you are or the love for the sports actually. So sir, my last question to you will be that what piece of advice you would like to give to Alliance members for taking this bold step during this time to organize this virtual expo?
देखिए, आपको लोग असाधारण कब बोलते हैं? When does people tell you that you are doing something extraordinary? Okay, which ordinary people are not able to think, and when you are able to do it, that is what is called extraordinary. और इस ordinary और extraordinary के बीच में अगर difference देखें तो वो word extra difference है। तो कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग हटके सोचे हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं क्या होता है जब समय जो है ना, if times are not conducive to do things, if there is a adversity, and वहां पे जो भी टीम अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट करके सोचता है ना, उसकी उड़ान आगे की तरफ जाती है। एंड अलायंस ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम व्हेन people are having limitations of coming together, because right now you cannot meet in person, in whatever capacity it is, and you guys are thinking how to bridge that gap and still do business during this time is something commendable. And I'm sure your Alliance chapter must be having some very, very great thinkers, great, team players, which is why, you all have been able to come together. And this is what I call as a bold step, courageous step. Leader तो देखिए सब होता है, but हिम्मत किस में, वो important है. You need to take courageous steps, and I respect leaders who have the courage to do something. Okay, आप देखिएगा जो है ना, टाइड अगर ऐसा चलता है और उसके साथ में अगर आप स्विम कर रहे हैं ना, तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Okay, people who are swimming against the tide, they have something uniqueness. It's again, I reiterate, you want to be part of the crowd or apart from the crowd. So Alliance during this time did both the things, swimming against the tide and trying to be apart from the crowd. So kudos to you guys, Alliance. And I'm sure this 3 days, 28th, 29th and 30th of August is again going to be very, very historic, game changing, the way business is being done. And this could be just be the foundation, because if you're able to do this successfully, which I'm sure in Kolkata it's going to be a very, very success, I think we can take it to a different level, to different cities, different countries. So I'm also very closely watching, and I can see the excitement in and around, whosoever I talk to, they are very excited. And I'm sure today we are going to kickstart that. Today is the inaugural day, and all the best to Alliance, all the best to the 100 plus entrepreneurs of Alliance. And as I say, keep soaring and keep roaring.
Thank you so much, Bimal sir. Vivek sir.
Thank you, Bimal sir, for those words and the appreciation for Alliance. I'm sure they're going to have a fabulous expo, and let's all hope for the best, and we will succeed. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you both, Krishna and Vivek. I have tried to be as candid as possible because I genuinely feel that you guys are doing amazing. You guys are mesmerizing people in and around. Continue doing the great job, whatever you guys are doing. So again, keep soaring, keep roaring. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.